negation of P tends to implication to negation of Q. Contrapositive, contrapositive, contrapositive means contrapositive means if P and Q are two statements, then negation of Q implication to negation of P. Okay, contrapositive means what? Negation of Q implication to negation of P. Okay, I'm writing like this. See there. What is it? Converse means Q tends to P. Inverse means negation of P implication to negation of Q. Contrapositive means what? Negation of Q tends to negation of P. Next, truth table for all these. Okay, we can do truth table for all these. Okay, see there. Truth table. Truth table. Okay, first you take P, next you take Q. Okay, P, I'm taking Q. This is P, this is Q. Next, I'm taking negation of P, negation of Q. Okay, negation of P, negation of Q. Negation of P, negation of Q. Next, see there now what we can do. Conditional statement. What is conditional? Means implication statement is what? P tends to Q. Okay, P implicates to Q. Means it is what? Conditional. Conditional. Okay, conditional. Next, see there now. Converse means what? Converse means Q tends to P. Okay, Q tends to P. This is what? Converse. Converse. Next, see there, inverse. Inverse means what? Inverse, what we get? First, see there, inverse is what? Negation of P, negation of Q. Okay. Next, truth table. I'm writing truth table for all. Okay. Contrapositive. Okay. Contrapositive. Contrapositive. Okay, so there contrapositive means negation of Q, conditional to negation of P. Okay, so then first P, what we can take? True, true, next true, false, false, true, true, sorry, false, false. Okay, next see there one in this negation of P means opposite between, right? This is false, this is also false, this is what? True, this is true. Here Q, false, true, false, true. Okay, P conditional, P tends to Q. Means select from here what we write? True. Okay. Next, true false is what? Ma? False, only we get here. Next, false true, what we get? This is true. Next, false false, what we get? True. Okay, already we proved it. That's why I'm writing directly. Next, converse means what? Reverse. Of this what? Q tends to P. T to T. True. Next, false to false. True. Okay. See that? False to true. What we write? This is true. This is false. Okay. Next, inverse. Inverse means negation of P implication to negation of Q. Negation of P means what? A false, false. What we are getting? True. Okay. Next, false, true. This is also true. Okay. True, false. This is false. Okay. Next, true, true. What we get? True. Okay. Like this, we can write. Next, negation of Q, negation of P. Okay. Negation of Q, negation of P. What contrapositive means? We will write like this. Okay. Negation of Q and negation of P. Negation of Q, what? False. Negation of P, false. False, false means what we get? This is true. Okay. Next, this one true false. True false means what? This is false. Next, false true. This is what? True. Next, true true. What we get? True. Okay. Like this we will write it. So the statement what we are calling that is very important. P implication to Q means conditional. Q implication to P converts. Inverse means negation of P. Implication to negation of Q means inverse. Negation of Q implication to negation of P means counter positive. Okay, right. These are very important. Tautology means in a compound statement, compound statement, all are true, all are true is called tautology. Okay, in a compound statement, all are true is called a tautology. Means, see that now, first P you take negation of P you take. Okay, this is what negation of P. From this P are negation of P means P disjunction of negation of P means if you take this is true, this is false. Okay, negation of P means what we write, this is false, this is true. Okay, in this condition you see that one and this symbol is what, disjunction. This symbol is what, disjunction. In disjunction what we get, true false is there, what we write, true. Okay, true false is there, what we write, true. Next, false true is there, what we write, true. Means in this compound statement what is there, all are true means this is what, this is tautology. Okay, tautology. Okay, right. Next, fallacy. Fallacy or contradiction. Contradiction. Okay. Fallacy or contradiction. Okay. Fallacy or contradiction. In a compound statement, in a compound, okay, in a compound statement, all are false is called fallacy or contradiction. Contradiction. See, Dharma, in this, I'm taking this is conjunction. Okay, in this, I'm taking conjunction. Okay, see that I'm taking conjunction. Okay, see Dharma, true false. Okay, true false means in this conjunction, what we get? True false means we get them false. False true means we get them false. Means in this compound statement, what we are writing? All are false. Means it is what? Fallacy or contradiction. Right. Fallacy or contradiction. Students for this. Fallacy and contradiction. అంటే ఏంటన్నా ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ లో అన్ని ఫాల్స్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ఫాల్సీ లేదా కాంట్రడిక్షన్ అని అంటారు Next, logical equivalence. Logical equivalence. Okay, logical equivalence. So then, logical equivalence means in these statements, okay, in these statements, if in these statements P comma Q, last statements we will get them, last statements we will get them are equal, we call them it is the logical equivalence. Means, so then after solving the two table, in last column what we are getting, that both columns are equal, we call them it is the logical equivalence. First we can find out the logical equivalence for, see the first question, see the logical equivalence for negation of P, Q and negation of P and negation of Q. Okay, logical equivalence we can see that. First, truth table I am drawing first for this both logical equivalence. Okay, see there, ma? This is P, this is Q. Okay, This is P. This is Q. Negation of P. Negation of Q. Okay. Negation of P. Negation of Q. Next, see there one. What we can do first. P and negation of P. This one. First, up to here we go. P means what we take true. This is true. True. False. False. True. False. False. Okay. Negation of P. What we get? False. False. True. True. Okay. Negation of Q. What we get? False. True. False. True. Okay. Next. See there one. P. This is what? Not conjunction. It is disjunction. Disjunction. In disjunction, see there one. First, true true is there. What we get? True. Okay. Here, true false is there. What we get? True. Okay. Next, false true is there. What we get? True. Next, false false is there. What we get? False. Okay. False we are getting. Okay. Next, negation of P. What is this? P disjunction Q means what we negation means opposite way we write. False. This is false. This is also false. This is true. Okay. Up to here completed. Next, see here now. Next, this one completed. Next, see that this one making. Okay. Negation of P and negation of P and negation of Q. Okay. Negation of P, negation of P and negation of Q. Okay. See that negation of P and negation of Q. See that F F. Okay. False false means in this condition what we get? False. Okay. Next, so false we are getting. Next, false true. Okay. False true means false true means what we get. This is also false. Next, true false. What is this? This is also false. True true means we are getting true. Okay. Right. This symbol is very important. Symbols are very important. Okay. First one we are completed. Next, second one we can do. But next, in this logical equivalence, second one, sigma. What is second one they give? Second one, P and negation of P and Q are logically equivalent. logically equivalent. To the first truth table P Q P Q negation of P. Okay, this is true, this is true, this is true, this is false, false, true, false, false. Okay, next negation of P means what we take false. This is also false. This is true. This is true. Okay. Next, see there. First, we can find out P implication to Q. Okay. P implication to Q we can find. Means see that true, true. This is true. Next, true, false. True, false means what? This is false. False, true. This is true. False, false. This is true. Okay. Next, see there. Negation of P. Negation of negation of P on Q. Negation of P on Q. Negation of P means false, true. Okay. False, true. What we write? False, true means true. Okay. False, false. What we write? False. Next, true, true. This is also true, false. What we write? This is true. Okay. These both are equal. Means these are logically equivalent. Okay. Right. ఈ షేర్ అంటే మీకు నేను చెప్పినటువంటి అండ్ ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లో ఆరు నెక్స్ట్ నెగేషన్ అంటే ఏంది కండిషనల్ బై ఇంప్లికేషన్ అంటే ఏంది అనేది మీకు గుర్తుంటేనే ఏ ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి నెక్స్ట్ ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ నెక్స్ట్ ట్రూ ట్రూ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఫాల్స్ ఫాల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏ కండిషన్ కి ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలనేది మీకు కనుక ఐడియా ఉంటే ఈ సమ్స్ అన్ని చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ మా కొన్ని హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి అవి మీరే చేయాలి ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాను నేను సి వాట్ దే గివ్ పి tends to q negation of q tends to negation of p okay next can we solve that so that next logical equivalent is what ma c see that c what they get p to q equals to negation of q to negation of p. Okay, negation of q, negation of p. See that first you take negation of p, negation of q. Negation of q means see that negation of q means false, true, false. This is true. Okay. Next, see that what they are asking for. P implication to Q or conditional to Q are both are same. Okay, means see that P tends to Q. See that first true true. What we write? This is true. True false. What we write? False. False true. This is true. False false. This is true. Okay. Next negation of Q. Negation of Q. Negation of P. Negation of Q. Negation of P. See that false false. Negation of Q. Okay. False false. What we write? True. Okay. Next true, false. What we write? False. Next, false, true. What we write? This is true. Next, true, true. Means this is true. They both are logically equivalent. Okay? Right. These both are logically equivalent. Next, sigma. Next, equivalence. What they give? Negation of P implication to Q is equals to P disjunction of Q. Negation Q. Okay? See there, first you can find out the P tends to Q. P implication to Q. You can find it. P implication to Q means, see that true true is there. This is true. True false is there. This is false. False true is there. This is true. False false is there. Next, see the negation of P tends to Q. What is this? Negation means this is false, this is true, this is what mark? False, this is false. Okay, false. This part is completed. Next, see there what they give. Next one, P. This is P conjunction of negation Q. Means, see there, I'm taking this is true. Okay, this is true, this is false. True, false. This is what more? False. Next, see that true. Okay, true, true. What we get? This is true. Next, false and false. What we get? False only. Okay. Next, false. This value where it is false, true. This is also false. Like this. From this both are equal. These both are logically equivalent. Okay, write it. Next one, what they give? Negation of P tends to Q equal to P negation of Q, but this is negation of P and negation or negation of P tends to Q. Okay, so then first P biconditional of Q, P biconditional of Q. See that true means these are true. True false means this is false. False true means this is also false. Next false false. What we get? True. Why? This both sides it is equal. This is also true. This is also true. That's why I'm getting true. This is true. It is false. It is not balancing. That's why I'm taking false. This is false. This is true. They're also not balancing. That's why I'm taking what? False. 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 This both sides are balancing. That's why I'm taking what? True. Okay. From this negation of P biconditional to Q. Okay. Means I will write negation for this. What we write? True means what we write? False. This is true. This is also true. This is false. Okay. Next, see the negation of P, negation of Q. Okay. Negation of P means, suppose if you take this one, negation of P and tends to Q. Negation of P means what? This is negation of P tends to Q. False true. What we get? Negation of P conditional to Q. Okay. Negation of P means what is this? False. False true. This is false. Okay. Next, see that negation of P false. Negation of P false. This is also false. What we get? True. Okay. Next, negation of P true tends to Q. What we get? This is also true. Here, cinema, this is true, this is false. It is not balancing. That's why I'm writing this is false. Okay. From this, these both are equal. It is logically equal. Okay. Write it. Algebra statements. algebra statements. What more? Next, idempotent laws. Idempotent laws means in this idempotent laws means P P. This is what more? Disjunction. P disjunction of P equals to what? P. Okay. P P conjunction of P is equals to P. Okay. Next, commutative law. What more? Commutative commutative law. Okay. Commutative law. In this commutative law, Sinema, in this commutative law, what we can use? P in this commutative law, P P R Q is equals to Q R P, comma, next one is P and Q equals to Q and P. Okay, Q and P. Next, first write it this both. Next one, involution law. Involution law. In this, negation of negation P is equals to what? P. Okay, negation of negation P is equals to what? P. Suppose if you take this is true, if you apply P statement, this is false. If you take it, negation of P means what we get false. Again, negation of negation P means if you apply negation again, what true means this is false. What we are getting? P only we are getting. That's why I am writing what negation of negation P in involution law. What we get in negation of negation P is equals to P. Okay? Right. Writing these three laws first. Next, associative law. Okay? Associative law. Okay? Associative law means P Q R. We will write them P R Q R R. Okay, like this we will write. Next, another one in this associative law. In this, what is in this symbol is what? My disjunction symbol. This is conjunction symbol. In this conjunction symbol, what we write? Q R equals to P and Q and R. Okay, like this we will write. Next, distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive law. Okay, what is distributive law? Distributive law means P Q. I will write them this into P and Q. Okay, P R. Okay, next P R. We will write them P Q. Next, this is P R. Okay, right. This is distributive law. This is associative law. Next one, see there, De Morgan's law. Okay, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Negation of P Q equals to negation of P, but this symbol will reverse now. If you apply negation, this will be, this is what, this symbol is what, conjunction. If you apply negation, what we get? We get the disjunction of negation of Q. Okay, next negation of P Q. What we write? Negation of P and negation of Q. This is what De Morgan's law. Okay, right. Next one, after identity law. Identity law. Identity law means in this identity law, T comma C are tautology and contradiction. Tautology means what? All are truths. Contradiction or falsity means what? All are false. P is the statement. P is the statement. T, if you apply it, P tends to T is equals to what? T. Next, P equals to C. Next, P equals to what? P only we will get. Next, P tends to C is equals to what we get? P. Here, T is what? Tautology. P is my statement. C is what? Contradiction or falsity. Okay, write it this all now. Next, see there now, duality. Duality means duality. Duality means, so that in this duality, P, Q, R. Duality means there are two statements, S1 and S2 are two statements. So then duality means what we write in this place, we write them P is Q, what we write R. Okay, means duality means what we write. If you see that this symbol is there, we will write the this symbol. Suppose this symbol is there, we write the this symbol. Okay, replacing of these symbols is called the duality. Okay, right. Duality means what? Suppose S1 and S2 are two compound statements. If you take this, I'm taking like this. Suppose another one is what we take Q and R. Duality means if you substitute what we get Q like this, we write duality. Okay. Laws of contraposition already you know. This value is the Q tends to if this is contrapositive law. Next, complement law. Okay. Complement law. Okay. Complement law means P and negation of P equals to T. Next, P and negation of T equals to what? This is C. Means contradiction. You want to check it? Check. Complement law. Okay. All the concepts are completed now in this mathematical reasoning. Now onwards, I will start sums. See there, theory bits is there. What they give? If a sentence can be judged to be a true or false, but not both, then it is called what? Statement. In definitions already I said, what is that? Statement. Okay. If statement is true or false, but not, means it is what? What? It is statement. Okay. Option 2. The truthfulness of falsity of a statement is called what more? See there, I am writing there. The truthfulness, theory bits mark is the fullness or falsity of a statement is called statement is called truthfulness or falsity of a statement is called what more? This is options. What they give? Negation, converse, inverse. This is what? Truth value. This is what? Truth value. Okay. The truthfulness or falsity of a statement is called truth value. Okay. Next one, select question number 3. Which of the following is a proportion? See there, ma'am, question number 3. Which of the following is a proportion? Proportion means what? Statement other name is what, ma'am? Proportion. Okay. Next, see there. Logic is an interesting subject. He is very talented. I am a line. Next, option 4. A triangle is a circle and 10 is a parameter. 10 is a prime number. Option 4. Okay. Option 4 is a statement. Means it is true or false. We cannot find it. We can find it for this one. That's why option 4. Which of the following is not a proportion? Not a proportion. See the first option. Question number 4. See the one. Which of the following is not a proportion? Proposition. Okay. First option, what they give? 3 is a prime. 3 is a prime. Mathematics. Mathematics is interesting. Mathematics is interesting. Next, 5 is an given integer. Option 4, root 2 is irrational. Okay. Option is what one? Mathematics is interesting. This is not a statement. Okay. Remaining 3 are statements. It is true or false. There is one condition for this 3 remaining 3. But for this, no. Means mathematics is interesting. It is not a proportional. Okay. Right. Sirma, before leaving, for all, for everyone, okay, universal quantifier, we can means we can denote them symbol. This is okay. The symbol what we can call for all, for for all, for everyone, universal quantifier. We call them it is a universal quantifier. This symbol is what this is. Okay, right. My meeting is leave on.